Hi everybody, it's Kathy here and it is Sunday afternoon, so that means we are Scraplift Crafternooning. That's right, me and the girls, part of the crew, we're scraplifting Tracy Fox this week on this amazing layout here. So I can hardly believe that another week has gone by and it is Sunday again. So I'm using some papers from the Scrapbook Coach. I'm also going to use some cutouts there that you saw and a graphic. Oh no, what's this? A 49er Market. This one is a 49er Market solid background from, I think it's the children's one that it came from. So I'm going to get all the pieces ready and we will start scrapping this together. So at first I wasn't sure what I was going to do. I really looked at it, and I've looked at it for a long time because I was like, I really have no idea how to attack this or what I wanted to do. So then I went through my Easter show photos because I thought that was the most likely to give me the most options with photos that I could reduce down to a 2.5 by 2.5. And that's what I've done here with these aerial flights of the RAF at the air show, at the Easter show. So it was the opening ceremony for the Royal Easter show this year, and the RAFies were doing a display, and so I was able to get enough photos through here to do the layout, and now I'm quite happy with how it actually works out in the end. So it's been a big week this week. I actually fractured a rib at work, so I'm in a little bit of pain and not my 100% self. So things have been going a little bit slower than they normally would in a week, and so it was a bit of a shock. It was a stupid accident. Just leant over my chair to pick up my laptop off the ground and I snapped my rib. Very interesting that it would happen so easily, but doctor says it was just the leverage of the angle and so forth. So anyway, so a little bit tender, and scrapping is a little bit here and there at the moment because I just can do it for a little bit of time and then I have to rest again because it hurts just a little bit too much. But that's okay. So here the layout is coming together. As you can see, I've got my single photo over to the left, which is a clear shot of the aircraft as they're going overhead, and then I've just found a little bit of scrap to tuck in here to do that layering that Tracy has on her layout. Now I did use the compass rose there as a piece to tuck in where she's got a bit of a title tag happening. I have got the circle in there that she's got, and I've got that middle panel there. Now she has it as a bit of a journaling. I'm not going to put it as a journaling. I will have journaling in other layouts for this Easter show, and I do have a few more shots that I'll do another page with these aircraft flying over, and that's where the journaling will go. This will probably be a companion page. Now I have these 49er Market laser cuts, which I've not used ever, and they have in them these blue planes, and when I saw that I thought, perfect, that matches beautifully to what I need for this layout. Now there are other planes in there, some reds and yellows, but I'm just going to stick with the blues, and this layout has somehow become a monochromatic, which is fine. I don't mind, it looks great, but it was not how I intended it at first, and it was definitely not what the intention when I first looked at it of how it was going to be, but I like how this has come out in the end, as I said. So I'm just trimming out a little tag here that says, I don't even remember what it says. What is it? Take the chance or something like that. And then I am looking for little bits and pieces to do that spray of stickers that she has on hers with the stars. So I actually cut these little banners out of some scrap because I wanted to have those little banner tags in there, and I have just put them down the display. Oh, I know what it said. That little banner tag down the bottom says take the shot. So I then went through my chipboard stickers here that you can see to look for a title. So I've gone with the wing display, and I'm going to use a V which I'm going to invert to make the A because I didn't have a blue A left, and I didn't have a second blue I, so I'm going to butcher the number 1, and that will give me the second I that I need for this, but that's okay. I've had these chipboard pieces for a while, so they're finally getting used, which is also always a good thing, using up our stash in these layouts. So I'm just going to, there you can see I just butchered that 1 into an I. So now that I have got that set into place, I am going to put down on the banners some stickers, and you'll see that I moved this around here. First of all, I put Air Show there, and that left the middle one, but then I thought, no, I'm actually going to put in an extra word on there. So I move the air down to the middle, and I actually put in the letters RAAF, or Royal Australian Air Force Air Show. And that's what they were doing as they went past the stadium as we were sitting there watching the show. It was quite spectacular, really, and it was as the sun was setting, and it was actually the day of the pink moon, so it was like really, really, really vibrant in the sky, and the moon was really big and really bright, and it was just really actually perfect timing for us to go to the show and see that. Now I am adding this in, which Tracy doesn't have on hers, but you know me, I like to finish off my layouts with a border, so I'm putting in a faux stitched border around the whole layout. It is just, I like to do that. I just like to finish off. I either mat it onto a piece of cardstock, or I finish it with a doodle border. I'm going to add in some sequins here for my spray, and they are blue, sapphire blue ones, and I'm also putting in some stars. So I'm having a mixture of the round sequins and the little blue stars, and that's going to be how I do my spray around that edge that Tracy has done with her stars, and her I'm sure hers are thickers that she's used for that. So I just love how this has come up, and those little planes are just so cute. They're very good. I like them. I might need to invest in getting some more chipboard things from 49er Market. I actually do like them. Okay, so there's how my layout has come together. The only thing that I do off screen, and you'll see it in the close-ups, is that I actually go around those banners. I outline them with the black pen and do a little bit of faux stitching on them because I feel they're fading into the background there. But when you see the close-ups in a moment, you'll see that by going around them, I have been able to make them pop off that background. So there's that little spray at the top there. I have the title down the middle and the banners and the other spray at the bottom. I followed Tracy's pretty closely with the same key elements in there. There you can see where I've doodled around it. There's a full playlist down below of all the crew who are playing along, and if everybody plays, there's 11 of us. So go and check out how everybody interpreted this layout this week. It's always fun to see what everybody else does. Tara does a great job coordinating us. Thanks, Tara. And happy scrapping, everybody. Thanks for sticking it out to the end. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.